Heads up on the last turn. Heads up on the last turn. Coming out of the rollers. Still there. Still there.
Peter Martin. Kevin Senior Swin. Mike Lee. Jason Bloom. Ed Bridges. Brock Harris. Toby Hampson.
Hurry up, Adam. Hurry up. Whoa, heads up on the big jump. Roll the big jump. Roll the big jump.
Roll the big jump in the center. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Start straight is closed. Start straight is closed.
Watch the
Watching the six pack. Watching the six pack. Roll it slow, slow, slow. Start straight is closed. Start straight is closed.
Come on, guys. Easy on the front. Easy on the front.
Easy. Go find your big guy.
All right. The Henry Pit Crew all over it. We're good to go. Check them in. Look, Adam didn't even shut the car off. Take it back to the pits, change the tires. Just keeps it running.
All right, watch the flag, guys. He's coming around. Fill him up, fill him up.
Nice and clean, easy start here, fellas. No need to try to win it on the first lap. It's a 15-minute race.
All right, fill him up, fill him up. Watch my flag man, watch the flag guy. Clear him out, clear him out, clear him out. Down and quiet. Easy through the first couple turns, easy. Keep them off each other.
Yeah. Wasn't too bad. Oh, heads up to face the big jump.
Watching the big jump.
Oh.
Got it corrected. Watching the slant hill. All right, let's see how it shuffles around as they come around.
I don't know the lead car, but it's Swint in the 2 spot, Pavia in 3.
Brock in the 1, Kevin's in the 2, Pavia in the 3. Marshawn up to the 4 spot, Toby in the 5, Ed in the 6, James Henry 7, Bill in the 8, Jason Bloom in the 9, Peter in the 10, Jason Massey in the 11. Big Mike.
Your leader upside down. Second place, Pavia getting into him. Third place, Collateral Damage. They come out of all that. Still 1, 2, 3, but in a little different order. Swint taking advantage, so it's all sorts out. Swint leading, Pavia second. Toby now taking over the 3rd spot.
Toby slicing and dicing his way through traffic, trying to get up to those leaders. Swint in that 1 as he comes across with Pavia in 2. Toby in that 3rd spot. He's in that orange and white trying to collect. Now right. Toby up to 2. Looks like Pavia in 1. Toby in 2. Henry up to the 3 spot. Oh, Pavia
nice
with trouble. That puts
Pavia.
Henry into the 2 spot.
Hampson to the point. K-Car for the win. Toby coming through the 6-pack out front. 46 RC's lead man. Henry now up to the 2 spot.
Pavia in 3, Swift in 4, Brock in 5, Ed Bridges in the 6 spot, Marshawn in the 7, with 12:30 left to go.
Toby, I was going to say, I think the best piece of advice in your situation right now would be to just let Henry go.
And he does just that. Henry out to the lead. Toby in the 2 spot. Now, can they use each other and get away? Because Swift right there in the 3 spot. Oh, trouble in the 6-pack.
Oh, no. Heads up in the beginning of 6. Excellent marshaling. Excellent marshal.
Oh, James Henry able to open up a gap over Toby now. Oh, helping the 6-pack. Clear. Oh, looks like Marshawn with a flame out there.
I see Ed Bridges running right behind Toby. Ed, is he in the hunt or is he lapped down already?
No, he's in the hunt. He's in third spot right behind Toby.
EB Mods, very own Ed Bridges in the 3 spot, trying to hunt down Toby.
All right, a quick rundown. James Henry in that top spot. Toby in the 2 spot. Ed Bridges in the 3. Swift in the 4. Brock in the 5. Pavia in the 6. Peter in the 7. Omar in the 8. Marshawn, Jason Blum in the 9.
Henry, your leader in the dark, I'm going to call it teal and something colored Hot Bodies car, white wheels, hot race wheels, white wings. Coming around the last turn, crossing the stripe. Hampson in the 2 spot, white orange K car with the blue accents, white wing, white wheels. Headed down through the start straightaway right now. Marshawn a lap down due to a flame out, and I believe it's Brock Garris, I believe, in the 3 spot.
Brock has moved up into the 3 spot. Kevin Swift into the 4.
Yeah, Marshawn, that's 3rd and 4th battling behind you there. Oh, and Ed Bridges. So if you're fast enough to get away, great, but try not to hold up their race. Oh, no.
All right.
So that's going to put Brock in a solid 3rd, Swinton 4th, Ed Bridges now in the 5 spot.
Brock coming by in that purple. He's your 3rd place. Toby Hampson still in that 2 spot. Brock looking for the back of him. They're separated by 8 seconds.
Struggle is real. Your leader crossing the stripe right now. 2nd place Hampson coming out of the 6-pack. Kind of trying to keep Henry a little honest here, not letting him get too far away.
Henry's able to open up a 10-second gap.
That
over
2nd place
Tyson.
coming up behind you, Massey, if you don't mind when he gets to you.
Brock coming by the line now. Brock's going to be about 10 seconds back from Hampson.
Yeah, right there. Thank you so much.
Kevin only 2.2 seconds back from Brock. Ed Bridges only 2 seconds back from Kevin. That's a tight battle for that 4th and 5th between Kevin and Ed Bridges. Eight minutes left to go in this one.
Mikey, that's Toby behind you.
With 7 minutes in, fuel stops have got to start up here soon.
Love it.
Oh, here
Thanks,
comes
Mike.
Swift in for fuel. Matty on the gun.
Oh, Toby catching the tube. Got to be careful. He's got to be about out of fuel. And Brock's not too far behind now.
Your leader in for fuel. And out. Toby in second place, coming around now. Toby peeling in
coming
in as well.
Taylor DeLoso on the gun. What's he got for him? Oh, using a bottle, going old school. Help out there, Taylor. Help him, help him, help him. Oh, he's flamed. Trappler, he's flamed out. Ream coming back.
All right, with 6:30 left to go, it's James Henry still in the top spot. Toby Hampson in the 2 spot. Brock in 3. Let's see after all these pit stops how that worked out.
Is that Pete's car? Pete Margle coming out.
After fuel stops, Brock able to close in about 8 seconds behind Toby in that 2 spot.
How much time we got left, Ed?
Just under 6 minutes.
All right.
Jason Bloom, the big mover, he's up from the 12th spot all the way up to 6. And James Henry out of the 11th spot into the 1 spot. Those are your big movers throughout this race. James Henry able to open up about a 17-second lead over top of Toby.
Yeah, as you hung up on the top deck. Not that he lost a ton of time, but probably knocked it down to a 14-second lead. Toby now hitting the big jump, going upstairs, getting a little side. Brock is closing in a little bit.
It was an 8-second gap last time by. We'll have to see how it shakes out this time by. Brock's been trying.
Gathered up, Hampson. You're all right. Come on.
They both make a few mistakes. With 4:50 left to go.
This is the point in the plus 40 race where us old guys start getting a little sweaty palms. So anything can happen even this late in the race. You never know.
All right, Brock got it down to a 6-second gap now. But don't count out Kevin Swit. He's only 1.5 seconds back from Brock.
Yeah, I see Ed Bridges lurking right there too. That'd be what, for 5th? Oh, Brock in the wrong, going into the off camber. Swint now taking over that 3rd spot.
And I'm still pulling for Jason Blum there. He moved up from the 12th to the 6th spot. He's not too far back.
Roger that.
Oh, Henry with a little trouble there in the J Concept Bowl. He gets it straightened up as he comes through the anthills into the Pro Tech 6-pack. I'd like to take the time to make sure we say thank you to Pro Tech for sponsoring today's event. All right, with just over 3 minutes left to go, it's James Henry in the 1 spot, Toby Hampson in the 2, Kevin Swit in the 3, Brock in the 4, Ed Bridges in the 5, Jason Blum in the 6, Omar in the 7, Pavia in the 8, Marshawn in the 9, Big Mike in the 10.
Taylor, you got to get your guy to calm down a little bit.
All right, your leader having a little bit of trouble there.
Yeah, Henry's clean over on the left-hand side of the track, coming off the raised turn step off. Meanwhile, your 2nd place car of Hampson just now come through the 6-pack.
Thank you, Bridges, for letting them by. Appreciate that.
Third place isn't about a short shoot behind him. Still within striking distance for sure. How much time's left, Ed?
2 minutes to go. 2 to go. No real tight battles in the field. Toby's got about a 5-second lead over Brock last time by the line. I think Brock's closed in a little bit. Oh, Toby with trouble there. That's going to put Brock up into the 2 spot now. Toby going to have to go back to work.
Oh, boy.
Here they come through the anthills with 1:40 left to go. They're only going to get about a lap or 2 here. They are neck and neck, though.
Swint having a rough lap or 2 there.
Henry in for fuel again. Get a little splash and go to make sure everything's good for these last minute 10.
Oh, no. Hampson with a flame out on the top.
Up top.
Ah, tough break.
Go ahead. Just hang on to it. He's walking off. Just hang on to it.
Yeah. Aye, aye.
45 seconds left to go. And I told you I was pulling for Jason Blum. He's up into the 3 spot. He's back about 10 seconds from Brock, so I think he's out of time to try to get a push for that bump up spot. But one heck of a run for him today. Five seconds left to go on the clock. That is time. Mike Fabio is going to come by in the 7th spot. Brock's going to take the 2 spot. James Henry going to take the win. Jason Blum in the 3 spot. Ed Bridges going to come around and take the 4. Swit in the 5. Omar in the 6. Big Mike coming around to finish up. And that's a race.